All right, today we have something special going on. We're going to be doing a Chrysler Crossfire lost key replacement. This one's going to be, let me see the paperwork. All right, 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. So basically, customer sent the, not the ignition, they sent the door lock, they sent the module. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple keys like this. We're going to decode the lock, figure out the exact cut. So we're going to remake the existing key, make sure it's working nice and smooth in there, take the chip data, program into the module so it'll start up. What's so wild about this week, look at this. I actually have another unit. This one's an 04 from a customer. This one came directly from a customer. This one came from a garage. It's their customer. So what's wild about this is I'm notified that you can't order no more keys for this. So can you imagine? You have a perfectly running car. You lost your only key. Now you can't find nobody to make you a key. But anyway, I'll go ahead and make this key and I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Here we go. Key one should have that nice spring action. There you go. Nice spring action. Now, when you get a brand new key cut, the brand new key, let's say you get a key cut by code, it won't be able to factor in wear and tear. So basically, a lot of people are going to get a brand new key cut and they're going to try to use it in a used lock. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. In this case, what I did was I figured out where the exact cuts was first. And then when it wasn't working right, then I factored in the wear and tear. So now it's going to work nice and smooth in this door lock. And it should work nice and smooth in the ignition because they both should have almost the same wear pattern, give or take. But and that's it. Ain't really much to say. The chips are programmed into the system. You may notice I put a number 1, I put a number 2. That's so I know which key data that is when I'm doing my programming. Ain't really much to say after this. It's just plug and play. Now, what I can say, job difficulty level on this, I would probably say it would be hard because a lot of stuff you got to do with the chip as far as reading, coding, whatever. But you need my help, give me a call. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. And for those of you that call me and always having trouble finding someone, like I always say, there's a couple reasons. One, they may not get enough calls to justify buying the equipment, especially this Crossfire. It's kind of like a rare item now. It's more a classic type thing. 2, the person may not have the training. 3, they definitely don't have the equipment. So you need my help. You need me to get you back up and running. Give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, what to send me, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. As usual, I appreciate y'all for watching.